Something special is coming in November. Cardano founder says this. What's going on, Charles? What we got going on in November? And let's go through this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, the captain speaking. Let's go through this content. Now, the founder, Charles Hoskinson, has teased the Cardano community with a new announcement earlier today. Now, this cryptocurrency has enthusiasm, and the enthusiasts claim that something special coming in November without going into further details. Now, what could happen? What do you think is going on? Now, Hoskinson attached an animated GIF with the "good news everyone" catchphrase said by the character Professor Farnsworth from the 1999 animated TV show Futurama. The meme, commonly used by anyone, talked about anything good particular. Now, Cardano rolled out its much-anticipation Facile upgrade in September after months of delays. The 88 token, which saw a significant rally in the run-up to the upgrade, has failed to make any headway since then. During a recent chat with a popular YouTuber, Ben Armstrong, Hoskinson said that the Cardano network was in the wait-and-see phase following the release of this hard fork, the Facile hard fork. Hoskinson claimed that he expects a lot of things on the partnership to happen, especially when it comes to bridges, standards, certification, and probably a little bit more. But here's a little bit of another bright spot, or I would say a spot. The metaverse, GameFi, non-fungible tokens, which is NFTs on the Cardano, was the biggest surprise, Hoskinson says. It brought a lot of new actors into our space, he added. So Hoskinson thinking that, or he is saying, something special is coming in November. Let's go ahead and wait and see what happens. Cardano has tremendous potential. Let's go. Let's end the end of the year strong in 2022. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the captain, and this is the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.